Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Anita by Quick Mill espresso machine. And this was brought in because the customer experienced a loud pop and a loss of pressure. And what had happened was the pressure stat had popped and was no longer allowing electricity to travel to the relay to the heating element. The relay had also gone bad in the situation, which is honestly not too uncommon. A lot of these machines, the relay has a heat sink on the bottom, but for some reason, when these machines are manufactured, they don't have a heat sinking compound applied to the bottom of the relay, so it can't efficiently transfer heat energy away from itself, and so it eventually just causes it to fail. And in the end, we also found that the pump was pumping, but really not as strong as it should have been. It was kind of on its way out the door. So replace that as well. And between those three things, everything is working well again. So let's test it. All right, looking good. The flow is a little bit fast. We only use 14 grams, but we could have put more. Overall beautiful though. All right, let's try some hot water. Good. Let's do some steam. Alright. Looking good. Alright, there you have it. Quick Mill Anita functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.